Hi, this is Sarah from the Savvy Professor, and in today's video, we'll discuss why your toilet is making a noise. Watch until the end of the video to learn more. Your toilet is making a noise because of an issue with the fill valve. A faulty fill valve can cause a high-pitched squeal, hissing, or whistle when your tank refills after the toilet's flushed. If you hear a hissing sound when flushing the toilet, it may be that the fill valve is not sealing and not closing well. To fix the problem, close the water supply to the toilet and flush it to empty the tank. Unclip the water level adjustment screw. Adjust the float valve knob clockwise to raise the level of water to at least half an inch below the overflow pipe, and adjust it counterclockwise if you want to lower the level of water if it has an overfilled tank. Check if the seal is corroded. Clean the flush valve with a sponge or replace the fill valve. Another reason could be a blocked sewer, vent stack, or toilet. A blocked sewer or toilet can cause a gurgling noise, and only a professional plumber can fix the problem. However, you can open the toilet tank to access the refill tube and see if it's attached to the overflow tube. If not, attach it back and try flushing. Also, inspect the vent stack for debris and clean it. If that doesn't work, the only thing you can do, if you're not a plumber, is stop using the toilet until a plumber fixes it. So, there you have it. That's why your toilet is making a noise and what you can do about it. Thanks for watching. Till next time.